If you get 5 out of 5 in this dog quiz, you are a true dog lover. Question 1. How many eyelids does a dog actually have? Option B, 3. Question 2. Which part of a dog's body is unique like fingerprints? Option A, nose. Question 3. About how many taste buds does a dog have? Option B, 1,700. Like and subscribe if you got first 3 correct. Question 4. How high can the average greyhound run in speed? Option B, 45 miles per hour. Question 5. What do dogs mainly sweat through to cool down? Option A, paws. Comment your score.